Alright, guys, does anyone have the surfboard? Well, I do. Wait, Tails, where's your surfboard? We're about to swim. Relax, I don't need a surfboard. I can fly, remember? Oh yeah, and finally Anthony has finally made your tails. Wait, Anthony? I thought our creator's name, well, the creator of this channel's name was Cam. Oh, it is. For some reason, he just likes being called Anthony or whatever. Alright. Is anyone ready? I am ready. Wait, Tails. Shouldn't you be having a surfboard? Like I told you, I can fly. Bro, even if you can fly, you would still get hurt. Like, there might be rocks or something, like icebergs here. I'll be fine. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! Woohoo! Man, this is fun. I know, right? Hey guys! What the tails? Whoa. This is fun. Yeah, I know, right? Anyway, thank you guys. Wait, Tails, watch out! What'd you say? Do you regret what you did? Yes. Will you do it again? No.